Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are currently driving to Bundanoon and we're going to go to the Highball House, and we're going with a couple friends and it's going to be a lot of fun. So we're just having a little drive around right now. We've come to this little place called Bonnie View and it's properly amazing. Ready? Just look at that, guys. It's amazing. Yeah, guys, this looks really cool. Guys, we're just about to head on and we're going to see what else we can find. So guys, we're just driving along right now, and as you can see, these trees have been affected in the Australian bushfires. You can actually see it's still really black, but it's actually starting to grow some leaves back, which is really cool. As you can see, look at that. That's like really black and burnt, that one. And they're all starting to grow back leaves, and which is really cool. And do the top here. Look at that one. It's all burnt. Alright guys, so we're having another little drive around, and we've just come to this place called the Wishing Well. So I've got my 10-cent coin right here. Got the Wishing Well down there. So guys, look at that. This is the Wishing Well right here. As you can see, obviously it's a wishing well. So let's chuck in a coin. Got my 10-cent. Focus is pretty bad. There you go, 10-cent. Let's chuck it in.
What are you wishing for? 1,000 subscribers. We have lots of good holidays like this.
Why does sometimes people put like metal chains in rocks?
And there it goes. My wish will hopefully come true. Alright, so guys, I'll make a deal with you. If we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will put down into the comments what my wish was.